Did he take anything?
Yes, he did. He took my jewelry.
Did you bring the cat in the house last night?
No, I didn't. I told you, I put the cat outside.
Were these here when you went to bed?
No, they weren't. I didn't put them there.
I don't know who's Margot. I just hit this lotto. I'm building up my cargo, and I know.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my classroom, my English class. How are you doing, guys? Is everything okay? Yep, it must be okay. Okay, today we are going to study about simple past tense. So guys, what is that? Let's find out. Simple past is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happen or existed before now. Jadi simple past adalah sebuah tenses yang digunakan untuk membicarakan tentang hal-hal yang terjadi atau muncul sebelum sekarang. Atau, in the other words, simple past tense adalah tenses yang digunakan untuk menyampaikan kejadian atau peristiwa atau kegiatan yang terjadi di masa lampau. Bedanya dengan bahasa Indonesia adalah kalau bahasa Indonesia tidak mengenal bentuk waktu atau tenses, tetapi kalau bahasa Inggris apabila kita ingin menyampaikan sesuatu harus melihat kejadiannya dulu kapan terjadi. Kalau kejadian sekarang atau setiap hari, maka kita harus menggunakan simple present tense. Dan ini sudah pernah dibahas. Tapi kalau kejadiannya lampau, maka harus menggunakan simple past tense. So guys, the point today is we are studying simple past tense. The simple past is the basic form of past tense in English. The time of the action can be in the recent past or the distant past, and action duration is not important. Sedangkan yang disebut bentuk simple past adalah bentuk dasar dari tenses ini, dan yang jelas keterangan waktunya adalah lampau. Baik itu lampau yang baru saja atau lampau yang sudah lama. Okay guys, don't go anyway, stay tuned. Here we go, verbal sentence. Verbal sentence, it is a sentence which has verb as a predicate. Jadi verbal sentence adalah kalimat yang predikatnya kata kerja, yaitu kata yang maknanya melakukan sesuatu. Your example, Sean went to Bali for holiday last Sunday. Minggu kemarin, Sean pergi ke Bali untuk berlibur. Jadi seperti yang tadi saya sampaikan, verbal sentence adalah kalimat dengan predikatnya kata kerja, yaitu kata yang maknanya melakukan sesuatu. Seperti contoh baru saja, when adalah bentuk kedua dari go. Next, Alice applied for manager position at Wall Street 2 weeks ago. Alice melamar pekerjaan sebagai manajer di Wall Street 2 minggu yang lalu. Sama, apply, melamar itu adalah verbal. Because this is do something. Okay, here we go. When. When is the second form of go. Sang is the second form of sing. And then apply is the second form of apply. Join is the second form of join. Oke, jadi bisa dilihat perbedaannya antara dua macam kata kerja yang ada di sini. Yang pertama adalah go when, itu adalah yang irregular atau tidak beraturan. Kemudian yang applied, itu yang beraturan. So what is the regular and irregular verb? We can find here. Common regular verbs in the past tense. Bentuk kata kerja yang beraturan secara umum dalam past tense. Yang dimaksud kata kerja beraturan di sini adalah kata kerja yang berubah dari bentuk pertama atau present ke bentuk kedua atau past tense yang berakhiran huruf ed atau d. Here we go the sample. Di sini ada infinitive atau kata dasar yaitu to us, ya, yang juga merupakan bentuk pertama, ya, menjadi past tense mendapatkan akhiran ed menjadi asked, ya, membacanya bukan asked ya, tapi asked, demikian. And then the negative did not ask, ya, kata kerja ask kembali lagi ke bentuk semula atau bentuk dasar yaitu ask tanpa akhiran ed. Begitupun dengan contoh-contoh yang lain di sini ada to work, ya, ada call dan to use, ya. Common irregular verbs in the past tense. It is a verb which has irregular form, yaitu kata kerja yang perubahannya tidak beraturan. Seperti contoh di awal, dari go menjadi when. Here we go the sample. Jadi di sini ada infinitive to be, ya, past tense-nya adalah was, were. Bentuk pertamanya apa? Am, is, are. Dan negatifnya menjadi was not atau were not. Kemudian to have jadi had dan did not have, dan seterusnya. Well, keep on watching. Here it is, nominal sentence. It is a sentence which has a non-verbal like adjective or adverb or noun as a predicate, yaitu kalimat yang predikatnya bukan kata kerja, melainkan bisa berupa adjektif kata sifat, adverb kata keterangan, atau noun. Example: You were a naughty boy. I was a singer in 2000. She was late yesterday. We were happy this morning. Alright, was and were. Ini adalah to be bentuk kedua dari am, is, are. Demikian. Jadi kalau was, were itu adalah to be untuk tenses past tense. From the example, we notice that there are to be was, were, which is the second form of am, is, are. Dan to be wajib dipakai dalam kalimat nominal atau non-verbal ini. Let's continue. Here we go. Sentence pattern atau pola kalimat untuk simple past tense. Number 1, subject plus verb to plus object. Yeah. The example, he took so many things. And then number 2, the negative form, subject plus did not plus verb 1 plus object. The example, I didn't bring a cat. And then the interrogative form, did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. The example, did you bring a cat? And then beside subject plus was or were plus object. Example, these were here. Next, subject plus was or were not plus object. Example, there were not here. And then the last one, was or were plus subject plus object. Example, were these here? Okay, that was the pattern of simple past tense. Okay guys, keep on watching. Now look at adverb of time, keterangan waktu. In this case, because of this tense is past, so of course the time is past. Jadi karena tenses ini adalah lampau, maka keterangan waktu yang digunakan sudah pasti waktu lampau. Here we go, this sample. Last blah blah blah. It can be last week, last Sunday, and etc. Or maybe last night, last year, and etc. Number 2, blah 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 ago. It can be a year ago, 2 days ago, or maybe a week ago, 2 months ago, or 2 minutes ago. Next, this blah blah blah. It can be this morning, this afternoon, or maybe this year, this night, this afternoon, and etc. Yesterday means the day before. Next, that blah blah blah. It can be that day, that night, maybe that year, at that time, that moment. The last one, just now. It can be just a few minutes ago, just a moment, and etc. Okay, let's continue. Don't get away. Exercise. Jadi sekarang kita mulai latihan. Exercise. Here we go. Number 1. Blah blah blah. Any interesting people conference yesterday? What do you think? What is the answer? There we go. Did you meet? So it becomes, did you meet any interesting people in the conference yesterday? Okay. Number 2. Ratna blah 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 to my house last week, but I blah 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 at home. The answer is came and wasn't. So it becomes, Ratna came to my house last week, but I wasn't at home. Number 3. He didn't blah 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 the answer for that question. The answer is no. He didn't know the answer for that question. Next, here we go. Number 4. I blah 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 at home and blah 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 several email messages last night. The answer is stayed and wrote. I stayed at home and wrote several email messages last night. Number 5. Donna blah 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 this delicious food for us an hour ago. The answer is cook. Donna cooked this delicious food for us 1 hour ago. Next, number 6. We blah 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 in this restaurant 2 minutes ago. The answer is okay, 8. We ate in this restaurant 2 minutes ago. Continue. Number 7. We blah 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 to Aceh 2 weeks ago. The answer is when. We went to Aceh 2 weeks ago. Number 8. I blah 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 the grass with the scissors yesterday. The answer is cut. I cut the grass with the scissors yesterday. Number 9. my brother blah 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 his novel yesterday? The answer is read. My brother read this novel yesterday. Okay guys, that's all for today. I would like to say thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.